want, Djinn Djinn? What do you want?
Tomorrow I can work overtime, I think. We have no doctors. What are you're taping me?
No, I want to see the storm outside. There's a world outside here.
Mm-hmm.
And my apartment looks like a mess.
No, stop it. Mine too. Kids, maybe after 30 years, Mom, it'll say ours and mom and we and us.
Wow. Looks like thunder and lightning.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! You know, my clock broke. Mm-hmm. The wind knocked it down. It's supposed to be really windy. Ooh, hear that wind. See, Djinn Djinn doesn't even want to go outside.
No, he doesn't like going outside.
Djinn Djinn, you're a little bit nervous about going outside with that wind.